Morning everybody, here's the requirements of timber for this 4x4 pergola. First of all, you've got 10 foot long 6x6 inch posts with what I call canary wharf tops to them, so they're tops. Next you have 4x2s 4.8 metre long, which I've pre-notched out already in a previous video, and that you have 10 of them. And you have 6x2s, which you have 2 of them. They're the main support. and I've got a couple of bundles of 2x1 for dressing it after. So let's get on with the project and follow for all the up-to-date on how to build this from scratch with everything needed and every how. Thank you.